Adding and subtracting polynomials. What are they? So they are numbers such as 2x cubed, negative 4x squared plus or positive 3, or 2x cubed minus 4x squared plus 3, and x cubed minus 3x squared plus 1, or x cubed negative 3x squared plus 1, positive 1. So how would you add them? Suppose you had the equation 2x cubed minus 4x squared plus 3 plus x cubed minus 3x squared plus 1. So your first step is to find matching integers / numbers. So 2x cubed and x cubed are matching because of the x cubed. Negative 4x squared and negative 3x squared are matching because of the x squared. Since positive 3 and positive 1 do not have an x, they are already matching. And then you would add them, which would mean combining like terms through adding. So 2x cubed plus positive x cubed would give you 3x cubed. Negative 4x cubed plus negative 3x cubed would give you negative x squared. My bad. Negative 4x squared plus negative 3x squared would give you negative 7x squared. And then positive 3 plus positive 1 would give you positive 4, giving your final answer 3x cubed minus x minus 7x squared plus 4. How would you subtract them? Well, suppose you had the same equation as before, 2x cubed minus 4x squared plus 3 minus x cubed minus 3x squared plus 1. So your first step, like before, would be to find matching integers and numbers. So 2x cubed and x cubed, negative 4x squared and negative 3x squared, positive 3 and positive 1. So here you would combine like terms, but instead of adding, it'd be subtracting. So 2x cubed minus positive x cubed, which would be positive 1, would be positive x cubed, since 2 minus 1 is 1. Negative 4x squared minus negative 3x squared would give you negative x squared, since negative 4 minus negative 3 gives you negative 1. Then positive 3 minus positive 1 would give you 2, since 3 minus 1 is 2, giving your final answer x cubed minus x squared plus 2. Example problems. So, if you had the equation 4x cubed minus x squared plus 3 plus 8x cubed minus x squared plus 11. So you would, as before, find the similar integers and numbers. So 4x cubed minus x squared plus 3. Their similar numbers would be, for 4x cubed would be 8x cubed. For negative x squared, it would be negative x squared. For positive 3, it would also be positive 11. And when you combine like terms through adding, you would get 4x cubed plus 8x cubed, giving you 12x cubed. Negative x squared plus negative x squared would give you negative 2x squared. Positive 3 plus positive 11 would give you positive 14, giving your answer 12x cubed minus 2x squared plus 14. Example problems in subtracting. So if you had the same problem but subtraction, it would be 4x cubed minus x squared plus 3 minus 8x cubed minus x squared plus 11. So 4x3 minus 8x cubed are similar numbers, and if you were to subtract them, you would get negative 4x cubed. Since negative x squared minus negative x squared gives you 0, you wouldn't put anything there, and you would just leave it blank. And then you take positive 3 minus positive 11, giving you negative, and then when you subtract them, it would give you negative 8, giving your final answer to be negative 4x cubed minus 8. In summary, to find out how to subtract or add polynomials, you find the matching integers or numbers. Then you combine like terms via adding or subtracting, and here's a tip, pay attention to negative and positive numbers as well.